guys, we just got some new microphones. First ride of 2024. We're gonna head that way. Let's see what we get.
All right, let's get into it.
So let us know how these mics sound. Now that I'm way over here, let us know how they sound. Like, are they good? Do you want to see more? We just got some new ones, so let us know.
That's awesome. We're actually gonna be able to ride and people are gonna be able to hear us throughout the whole video. So should be pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, what's the range on these things?
I don't know, like, we're gonna find out. We're going right into the wind too.
What?
So we're going right into the wind.
Yeah. So as y'all have probably seen before, they got some dogs up here, so.
No. Back up! Before I beat you.
We're gonna see if we get attacked. Let's go. They normally like to attack Jude, so.
They definitely
we got a little bait. We got a little bait right there.
Jude.
Little bait action.
What?
The dogs.
The dogs.
Get ready.
They hate me.
They hate you.
Here, I got you, don't worry. Yeah, that'll send them flying. Oh, shoot.
All right, they're not here. That's good.
Attack the smallest one. Separate from the leash.
Oh, you should talk about that.
I should.
Go ahead, tell them.
Yeah, so I've been sick for the past week. Haven't gotten off the couch, so I've been very sick. I had the flu.
105-degree temperature.
Yeah. Got up to 105.
Yeah.
It was awesome, really. I felt great the whole time.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
It's all right, though. You're back.
Yeah.
Ow! So are you still using your custom shaping? Your trail custom shaping?
I am.
I mean, not it's your street. It's your street custom
but
shaping.
yes,
Yeah.
I'm still using it.
So what are you thinking about that? You still loving it? Hadn't changed anything, huh?
I haven't messed with it at all.
Yeah.
So let's get into yours.
Yeah. Well, we're about to, we're gonna drop a video. I've been working on another custom shaping for bigger guys and trail. It's got a stiffer nose, so it's not as fun as yours, but it supports bigger riders. It's got a stiffer nose and you feel more confident on the board, so you're not worried about falling when you're going over stuff. So like on the street custom shaping is awesome, but when you get on the trails or hit a rut, it's like definitely can be intimidating. So we're gonna do a video on that, so that's pretty cool. All right, here we go. Here they are. This is gonna be wild right here.
Oh, there he is.
This one right here. If he ever gets out, we're in trouble. You know that?
That's a cool dog, dude.
Don't forget to leave a comment. How do you like the new microphone setup? Can you hear us good? So compared to our other videos, if we've definitely taken a step up on our microphone situation.
Hey guys, thanks for everybody who's been tagging me in posts, sending me tricks. I really love watching them, and y'all are doing great. Thank y'all.
Oh, yeah, get some rock spots. Oh, pick it up, hey. Oh. Dang. Yeah. Oh shoot, I tried to do a reverse. Dude, that is deep. Now, this is probably one of the coolest places around. Right by our house. We could pull out the driveway and end up right here. So cool.
Kind of want to burn out the sand.
You want to do some burnout?
On the sand.
We're at right here?
Yeah. Ooh.
Can you do it?
Right here. Are you ready?
Total sand burnout. Perfect.
2,
Right there.
1, go.
Oh, you got to get back on that.
I couldn't get back on it. All right, let's go.
Kicked up sand on you.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
That was mid.
What we got over here?
A person.
There's the water. All right, wait up. You got
go
some
down
sand on that sucker. Look at that. What are you? Are you dirty? Not as dirty.
Let's go. Oh, we can go right to the water.
Large mouth. Yo, do you think we can climb that tree?
Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah.
You want to try?
No.
Who knew there was beaches in Louisiana?
Who knew?
Who knew?
Who knew?
On the rivers.
On the river, huh?
I love they got the rope swing.
They do?
Are they swinging?
Oh, we need to do that.
Wait, are they doing it?
Yeah.
You joking?
That's not theirs. It's
Oh, I know that. It's on the bridge.
tied there. I gotta try that.
I gotta try that now.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
We'll ride that way when they leave. We'll do
Yeah,
it.
when they leave.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
You're gonna step right here. Step right here. It's scary.
Oh shoot.
Don't fall in, big dog.
Oh.
Don't fall. Sit by him and let's take a picture. No, this thing's coming up. I don't think it'll break, but yeah, like that. There, that's perfect.
Oh, we can fit up this, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, that's one of them like how we think we look versus reality, and we're like falling in the. Aww. Watch this Mr. Miyagi, dude. Oh, oh shoot. Yeah. Oh shoot. Watch, you ready? I know you ain't just done that.
No, do the crank it.
Ready? Dude, you're gonna have to scoot over one so I can get my hands out there. All right, you ready? Oh. One more. Fell.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah. Over here.
Can you get down there?
What?
Can you get down there?
Yeah. All right,
Don't
let's
go in the water now.
I'm definitely gonna fall. Oh shoot! All right, you ready? So you got it after me, huh? You gonna fall. Go, you gonna fall. I wanna see you fall.
Yeah. I got more clothes. Freezing.
Oh, that was
Do
weak.
not let go, boy. He would be the one to do it. I know he would.
He's gonna fall in.
I knew it. Get up.
There he goes.
Yeah. You gotta hold on and let it go back through, man.
Oh, wow.
I got it, I got it.
Miles gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Holy.
That's awesome, bro.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Slipping.
You want to try it again, Jude?
Try it again. You got one time. Get back on that thing.
Oh shoot.
You're already muddy, Jude. Might as well try it again. Just don't let go. There you go.
He got brand new shoes.
Let's hit it.
I know, y'all been doing it. Boom!
I'm gonna take you out.
Want me to go?
Yeah, go.
Don't let go, Jude.
Hey!
There you go. All right.
Oh my God.
Tell her if you just.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
I'm gonna do it.
Get your foot off right here.
You ready?
If you do, I'm gonna do it.
Oh shoot.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Don't fall on a rock.
Oh shoot.
Wow.
Oh shoot. Catch me.
Wait.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let us know how these mics sound. Let us know if we should keep them going. And we got a video coming out in a couple of days. What's the best mods you should put on your board? 5 mods you should put on your board immediately. So thanks for watching.